sitting for recording. (44 over?
Yes, sir.
After this, till 50, any doubt is there?
So 45, can you explain?
Assuming one excess electron per unit area. One excess electron per unit area on Earth's surface, electric potential on the Earth's surface is how much? If radius is given this many meter. One electron per unit area. Excess electron means positive charge. So charge is due to one electron per unit area. So charge is electron per unit area. Okay. One electron per unit area is present. Okay. See, they are telling one electron is present per unit area. So total electron will be how much? Hello?
Yes, sir.
One electron per unit area is there, right? So total, suppose this I call as N. N means number of one electron per unit area. So total electron, one electron is present in one area, unit area. So total electron will be area 4 pi r square of the sphere. Hello?
Yes.
So total this many electrons are present 4 pi r square. So what will be charge? 4 pi r square into charge of one electron. Not followed?
Followed.
Now we want potential. What is formula for potential? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into charge upon radius. So it will be 4 pi r square into electron 4 pi epsilon naught r. 4 pi cancel, 1 r will be cancelled. R is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6. Charge of electron 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. And epsilon naught is 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12. That is 16 into 4. 64 carries 6. 16, 6 are 96 plus 6, 102 upon 8.85 into 10 raised to 6 and minus 19 is minus 13 upon 10 raised to minus 12. So it will be. Now you got the idea?
Yes, sir. Got.
What will be the answer? Less than 1 na? And positive because
0.115.
No, 115 0.645 no? 10 upon 8 itself is nothing but 1.25. 0.115. Correct. But excess electron बोला. One excess electron positive charge है. देखो एक मिनट. 10 raised to minus 13, 10 raised to minus 12 goes up 1.024 upon 8.85. That means approximately 1 by 9. So 0.92 2. So आंसर क्या दिया? Oh, sorry, excess electron बोला है ना? तो नेगेटिव होएगा ना,
Yes, sir. Minus. Sir.
माइनस माइनस,
Got it.
करेक्ट करेक्ट, आंसर इज सी. Important is to understand what is meaning of electron per unit area. Okay, next one. Till 50, any doubt? Nobody's having doubt till 50? Till 64, any doubt? No doubt. Till 70, any doubt?
No, sir.
Because that shows that you are how very much perfect. Then 71 to 70, 80, any doubt?
70, 76.
76.
75, 76 both.
75, 76. ये हम लोग को लास्ट टाइम नहीं आया था ना, मैं इसको सॉल्व करता हूँ, रुको. कुछ तो मैंने बोला था एरर है इसमें. ये मैं कल आपको लेक्चर में बताऊंगा. 76 now. Is that 75? I have to check something is error or not. Last time रह गया check करने को. 76. In a field-free region, 2 electrons are released to move on a line towards each other. 2 electrons are released in a line towards each other with velocity of 10 raised to 6 meter per second, 10 raised to 6 meter per second. The distance of their closest approach will be how many meter? Closest approach will be how many meter? मतलब कितना दोनों के बीच में डिस्टेंस रह गया ये निकालना है आपने को, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So they will lose kinetic energy, when they come here.
Yes.
When they come here, what they are going to lose? इधर रेस्ट पे आ जाएगा ना, ये तभी तो रुकेगा. इधर भी रेस्ट पे आ जाएगा तभी रुकेगा. So can I say kinetic energy will get converted into potential energy?
Yes, sir.
What is formula for kinetic energy?
Half mv square.
Half mv square. And what is formula for potential energy?
Gh.
नहीं, इधर इलेक्ट्रॉन का पोटेंशियल है. इलेक्ट्रॉन का पोटेंशियल एनर्जी का फॉर्मूला क्या है चार्ज का? 1/4 का एप्सिलॉन q1 q2 upon r. See formula is what? 1/4 का एप्सिलॉन q1 q2 by r. So फर्स्ट वाले का हाफ mv स्क्वायर प्लस सेकंड वाले का हाफ mv स्क्वायर, ये कन्वर्ट हो जाता है काइनेटिक पे, which is 1/4 का एप्सिलॉन चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इनटू डिस्टेंस. एनी डाउट?
No.
Now half mv square is 1 mv square equal to, now I think you can manage, ना?
Yes.
ठीक है, मैनेज कर सकते हो आप. मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन आपको याद रखना है. मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. स्पीड इज 10 raised to 6 का स्क्वायर, 9 into 10 raised to 9, and charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 raised to 2 upon r. Then I think you can manage, right?
Yes.
Concept write down, ये बहुत अच्छे से. Then after this till 80 with some, any sum till 80. Till 90.
No, sir.
Till 95. Yes, till 95.
No.
No.
Till 100.
97.
97. Okay. A parallel plate capacitor is charged and then isolated. Isolated मतलब separate कर दिया. The effect of increasing the plate on charge, potential and capacitance. Okay. देखो चार्ज अगर आइसोलेट किया, सेपरेट किया तो चार्ज तो कांस्टेंट हो जाता है, एक बार चार्ज करके निकाल दिया तो चार्ज इज कांस्टेंट. So effect of charge on separation, no effect. What is formula for C? Is it Q by V?
Yes, sir.
Which is same as AK epsilon 0 by D.
Yes, sir.
Q is constant, na? So V is directly proportional to distance. देखो direction है.
Yes, sir.
So that means potential will increase and capacity is inversely proportional to distance, will decrease. Followed?
Yes.
Q
Yes, sir.
constant, distance increase, potential increase, capacitance decreases. Now till 100.
98.
In a parallel plate capacitor with area A and charge Q, force on each plate because of charge on the other is equal to force between the plate. What is energy between the plate? Any of you know? Energy stored between the plate?
Half Q square by C.
Half Q square by C. Or
Q
half
square or
C
half
is
Q square by C.
half Q square by C chalega, no problem. This is energy. And what is formula for energy? Is it force into displacement?
F into D.
Okay. F into D. And what is C ka formula? AK epsilon 0 by D?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
हो गया. So it is half फिर D ऊपर गया. Q square D upon AK epsilon naught, ये D नीचे आ गया. है क्या? देखो जरा ये आंसर. Q square upon 2 AK epsilon है. K you can take one ना. So it is Q square upon 2 A epsilon
D.
naught. Option D. Then till 100, any doubt? Hello, till 100, any doubt?
No, sir.
101 to 105, any doubt? No doubt. 106 to 110? 106 to 110? No doubt. 111 to 113? No doubt. 14, 15, 16? 114, 115, 116? 117, 118, 119?
117.
117. Three parallel plate air capacitor are connected in parallel. Each capacitor has plate area A by 3, separation as D, 2D and 3D. Equivalent capacity will be. तो C1 का capacity क्या होएगा? Area A epsilon naught upon D. C2 will be area A by 3. नहीं, एक का area A by 3 दिया. A by 3 epsilon naught. Second का distance 2D. C3 is A by 3 epsilon naught upon 3D. I hope C1, C2, C3 समझा? C1, C2, C3 समझ गया?
Yes.
Individual capacity are found by using formula AK epsilon 0 by D. So area is A by 3, K is 1 because air filled epsilon 0 by D. First distance is D, then 2D, then 3D. What is C in parallel? C1 plus C2 plus C3. So A epsilon 0 by D, A epsilon 0 by 60, A epsilon 0 by 90. LCM will be 18. So 3 into 6, 6 into 3, This is 2, 9 into 2. So 6, 3, 9, 9, 2, 11, A epsilon 0 upon 80. Option. After this, till 120, any doubt? Hello? Till
No, sir.
120? No. 121, 122? No. 120, 123, 124? No. 125?
Yes, sir. 120.
Which one?
120.
Your voice is cracking. Which one?
125.
125. Who has asked this 125?
Sir, Jasmita.
Smith, okay. A parallel plate, because this is same sum we are also having in our booklet, and then we did this. A parallel plate capacitor of 5 microfarad. Parallel plate capacitor is of 5 microfarad, is charged to 120 volt. It is then connected to another one charged, uncharged. It is then connected to another uncharged capacitor. Suppose I call its value C2, which we have to calculate. The potential falls to 40 volt. That means new potential becomes 40 volt. False 2 means becomes. False 5 means minus. I think Aman, you should be able to answer me. What is common potential formula? Is it C1 V1 plus C2
V1
V2
plus C2
upon C1 plus C2?
Yes, sir.
So V is 40, capacity 5, it is charged to 120, C2 मालूम नहीं है, not charged initially, this is 5 plus C2. Is with a followed?
Yes, sir.
So 40 equal to 12 into 5, 60, 600 upon 5 plus 2. I can cancel 0, 4 into 15. Beautiful sum, this one is. So C2 equals to 10 microfarad. Completed? 125?
Yes, sir.
I think we were supposed to do only till 125 today.
Yes. Yes, sir.
It's beautiful work you have done. Now I will search few more questions which we have not done yet after completion of this entire set. Current and electrostatic, in fact, entire thing should be done perfectly, but few things should be such a way that whenever it is asked you are knowing. उसमें से difficult वाला अगर knowing है तो बहुत अच्छा है.